Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the latest trends and hottest niches for TikTok in 2024. If you've been dreaming of turning your creativity into a cash cow, then this video is tailor-made for you. Stick around till the end because we'll reveal the faceless niche that's been generating $8,000 monthly for savvy TikTokers. Don't forget to download the free ebook on how to make money online using AI chatbots without coding. The link is in the description down below. In the realm of TikTok, artistic creations have emerged as a captivating niche that resonates with a wide audience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a talented painter, or a digital artist pushing the boundaries of creativity, this niche offers limitless possibilities. Imagine showcasing step-by-step tutorials on crafting unique home decor pieces, exploring mesmerizing painting techniques, or delving into the digital realm with stunning animations and graphic designs. The key is to tap into your passion and share it with the world in a way that inspires and engages viewers. Moreover, the potential for monetization in the artistic niche is immense. You can collaborate with art supply brands for sponsored content, offer exclusive tutorials through paid memberships, or even sell your own artwork and creations to your audience. With dedication, creativity, and a strategic approach to content creation, the artistic niche on TikTok can not only fulfill your passion for art, but also become a lucrative source of income, allowing you to turn your hobby into a thriving career. So let's explore the 8 best niches. Number 8. Artistic creations. The artistic niche on TikTok encompasses a wide range of creative endeavors, from DIY crafts and painting to digital artistry. Dive into the world of DIY tutorials, showcasing how to repurpose everyday items into stunning decor pieces or sharing innovative crafting techniques. For painters, demonstrate different painting styles, techniques, and tips, creating mesmerizing time-lapse videos that capture the entire process. Digital artists can leverage TikTok's visual format to showcase their digital creations, from intricate illustrations to captivating animations. This niche thrives on creativity, storytelling, and inspiring others to unleash their artistic talents. Number 7. Educational tutorials. Education is a perennially popular niche on TikTok, offering creators the opportunity to share valuable knowledge and skills with a global audience. Dive into language learning tutorials, teaching phrases, pronunciation, and cultural insights to language enthusiasts. Coding tutorials can demystify programming concepts, offer coding challenges, and guide aspiring developers. Life hacks and practical tips for productivity, organization, or self-improvement can also resonate strongly with viewers seeking actionable advice. The key is to make learning engaging, accessible, and impactful, fostering a community of knowledge seekers eager to expand their horizons. Number 6. Fitness and wellness. The fitness and wellness niche on TikTok is all about inspiring healthy habits, sharing workout routines, nutritious recipes, and wellness tips. Showcase your fitness journey, whether it's weightlifting progress, yoga flows, or cardio workouts, encouraging viewers to join you on the path to a healthier lifestyle. Dive into nutrition by creating easy-to-follow recipes, meal prep guides, and nutrition facts, catering to health-conscious individuals looking for balanced eating habits. Wellness tips can cover mindfulness practices, stress management techniques, and self-care rituals, promoting holistic well-being and empowerment. Before we continue, I'd love to know where you're watching from. Leave a comment down below with the country you live in. Number 5. Fashion and style. Fashion and style enthusiasts can thrive on TikTok by showcasing their unique sense of style, sharing outfit inspirations, styling tips, and fashion hauls. Dive into different fashion aesthetics, from vintage and retro looks to modern streetwear and high fashion. Collaborate with clothing brands for sponsored content, participate in fashion challenges, and provide insights into current trends and fashion events. Your content can inspire viewers to experiment with their style, build confidence, and express themselves